Guys, I'm pretty sure you're aware of how the managed service industry has changed as it relates to our channel. Now, if you're to go back 5-10 years, it used to be there was, maybe 5-10 shows a year, and you could pick and choose which one you wanted to go to and, see your friends, see some other companies, learn some good stuff. But things have changed. Now I bet there's a show every single weekend, damn near. And it gets to the point you don't know what to do. You don't know who's actually there to teach you something on how to grow your business versus the ones that are just there to put on a big circus and sell a shitload of sponsorships so you can go buy some more stuff. And you all know as well as I do, our time is worth way more than what we pay for the entry of these shows. So choosing the right place to send your employees to make them better and more efficient at their job is a lot tougher than it used to be. Now here at CharTec, we don't bring in fancy speakers. And what I mean by fancy, they're not in Hollywood. We don't spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in talent fees to bring in talk show hosts, motivate you for the hour, the next day or so or whatever. What we bring at CharTec are actual people that have been successful and are successful in doing exactly what you're trying to do with your business. We bring in the best operations guys, the best sales guys, the best marketing guys to teach and train you on techniques that work. So when you're doing your numbers at the end of the year, that needle that shows profitability actually moved. That's what CharTec's about. So I urge you, click on the link, register for this next academy coming up, grab some of your key people and get them down here. And be prepared to be impressed.